Hey guys, welcome back to Midden Computer Trading Channel. In the last episode, we learned how CapCut AI creates subtitles for your videos. But what if you want to use your own voice? Or maybe you just have recording equipment. Good news, CapCut AI can generate natural-sounding voiceovers from your text. It's called Text-to-Speech AI, and today I'll show you step-by-step how to use it. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more beginners can join this AI learning journey. Now let's go inside CapCut and check out how this feature works. And now we are inside CapCut. First, open your project. I'll use a simple video clip without sound so we can add our AI voiceover. In the second step, go to the text menu and select Text-to-Speech. A box will appear where you can type or paste the words you want spoken. Here you can also choose the speaker's gender, whether you want it fast, slow, or a casual voice. You can even try different languages. Then type your script. I'll type, "Welcome to my video." Let's learn something amazing today. After that, click Generate, and CapCut instantly creates your voiceover. It adds the audio directly to your timeline, synced with your video. You can move the voiceover clip around, trim it, or combine it with background music. Always adjust your music volume so the voice is clear. Once you're happy, export your video as usual. And just like that, you've created a video with a professional AI voiceover. Now let's watch again the whole process from the beginning till the end. 1. Open your project. 2. Add text-to-speech. 3. Type your script. 4. Choose a voice. 5. Generate. 6. Adjust timing and audio. 7. Export. And now your video has a voice without you ever recording a word. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, which AI voice did you enjoy the most? In the next episode, we'll explore AI Background Remover, where you'll see how to get rid of backgrounds without green screens. Thanks for watching. See you soon.